Miss Robertson here. This video is for the rectangles and the pentagons maths groups. We're going to be doing multiplication with 2 digits by 1. And I thought this would be a lot easier if I show you how we've been doing it when we've been in class, rather than you finding another video on YouTube, just so you don't get confused. I hope you like my setup. It's not quite like our classroom, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll all be back together soon. So, multiplication by 2 digits is when we lay it out like a chimney sum, but we're timesing 2 numbers on the top by 1 number on the bottom. So I'm going to write out a couple of sums, we're going to do them, and then hopefully that should help you to answer the ones that are on your task on Google Classroom. And well done, because you've been working really hard on your maths and you're still doing really tricky stuff, which is really good to see. So the first one we will do is 36 times 3. So I've got my units under my units, and then I've got my tens, and I'm only timesing it by 1 digit, so there's nothing under here. I'm just seeing if that, there you go, you can see that better. So 6 times 3 is 6, 12, 18. So I put my 8 down here, but I know that I can't put 2 digits down there because there's only space for 1. So my little 1 goes here, or if you want to put it up there, wherever you prefer to put the 1 is fine. And then I do 3 times 3, which is 9, plus my little 1 is 10. So your answer is 108. Some of you might look at these sums and think you know how to answer that, but what I want you to do is to try it doing it this way, because soon we're going to start doing 2 digits by 2 digits, which is called long multiplication, and then you really need to have those skills in place already. So the next one we are doing 75 times 8. Bit trickier because we're having to work with our 8 times tables, and I know that's one that we're not as confident with. So 5 times 8, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So our answer is 40. We can't fit that under here, so we just put a 0, and it is a 4 this time that we're carrying over. Then we're going to do 7 times 8. So you can either do your 7 times table or your 8 times table, whichever one you're more confident with. I'm going to do my 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. And we've got 56, but we've got to add our 4, which gives us 60. So the answer is 600, if you can see that there. Now I know it's quite small, but that's where I've carried to. We'll do one more all together. Let's make it trickier. We're going to do 154 times 6. So now we have 3 digits on the top, but we've still only got 1 on the bottom, so make sure it's still lined up properly. 4 times 6. You can do your 4 times table or your 6 times table. So 6, 12, 18, 24. So I put my 4 here, and I carry my 2. Then I'm going to do 5 times 6, and I know straight away that that's 30 because the 5 times table is one that I enjoy doing. Plus my 2 is 32. Put the 2 here, but obviously we still can't squeeze 2 numbers in there, so the 3 has to get carried. 6 times 1 is of course 6, plus 3 is 9, so your answer would be 924. So now I want you to go and try the questions that I've left you. I'm missing you all so much, and I'm loving that I'm able to do these videos and still kind of chat to you a little bit. So hope you and all your families are safe, and I hope you get on well with this task.